friends. In today's story, we see a new bride and the secret of her in a brother who is always helping, but everyone misunderstands him. For a whole month, the new bride Aina adjusted to her in-laws' house. For every little thing, her husband Zayan even took permission from his elder brother. But gradually, Aina realized this brother wasn't just a caretaker, he was the center of family emotions and respect. Then something happened. After the brother fell ill, Aina started taking care of him, and slowly their connection became deep and emotional. All misunderstandings were cleared, but there was a twist. The real story of the brother. The brother's reason was simple. His love had always been for a childhood friend, Sanjan, but after her death, he decided to dedicate himself only to family and his duty. Then, Aina's caring nature and patience touched his heart. Finally, all misunderstandings were cleared. The brother made a lifelong commitment, and Aina and Zion's journey was completed with love, trust, and happiness. And yes, we added a little fun and humor in this story, just like Funny Fun Urdu Stories. So, friends, if you enjoyed this story, like, share, and tell us in the comments which scene touched you the most emotionally. And don't forget to subscribe, because we'll keep bringing you more original and true stories.